Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best laser modules for CNC engraving and cutting. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Laser Treat 5W Air Assist Laser Cutter Module. This 5W laser cutter module is designed for DIY enthusiasts, featuring a 450 nanometers blue light laser head with TTL control for precise engraving and cutting. The Air Assist enhances cutting speed and accuracy, making it ideal for CNC laser engraving of wood and other materials. The advantages of this module are compact and easy to install, enhanced cutting precision with Air Assist, suitable for a variety of materials. The disadvantages of this module are limited power for thicker materials, not suitable for industrial use. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Laser Tree 80W F45 Professional 10W Laser Module. This 10W professional laser module with a 450 nanometers blue light output is engineered for CNC 3018 Pro engravers. The TTL control allows for accurate cutting and engraving on wood, acrylic, and other materials, making it an excellent choice for detailed designs. The advantages of this module are high power output for deeper cuts, compatible with CNC 3018 Pro engravers, reliable TTL control for precision. The disadvantages of this module are higher power consumption, requires proper cooling management. At number 3. 40W Laser Module with FAC Technology. This 40W laser module, featuring 450 nanometers blue light and TTL/PWM control, is perfect for engraving metal, wood, and acrylic. Equipped with FAC technology, it provides a finer laser beam for high-resolution engraving and detailed work on CNC router machines. The advantages of this module are FAC technology for high-precision engraving, versatile for multiple materials, compact design for CNC routers. The disadvantages of this module are medium power might not suit all applications, limited to certain CNC machines. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Laser Tree 10W TTL Laser Module with Air Assist. This 10W laser module with Air Assist and TTL control is tailored for CNC laser engraving and cutting tasks. It emits a 450 nanometers blue light, offering excellent performance for wood and other materials, while the Air Assist improves cutting efficiency and cleanliness. The advantages of this module are Air Assist reduces debris and improves cut quality, ideal for both engraving and cutting tasks. Simple integration with CNC machines. The disadvantages of this module are limited to specific material types. Air Assist requires additional setup. At number 1. Laser Tree 10W 5W Laser Head with Air Assist. This dual 10W/5W laser head module with TTL control is designed for DIY CNC laser engraving and cutting. Featuring a blue light laser head and Air Assist, it delivers precision and flexibility for both light and moderate cutting tasks on wood and other surfaces. The advantages of this module are dual power options for versatile use. Air Assist enhances cutting accuracy, suitable for DIY and hobbyist applications. The disadvantages of this module are limited to small-scale projects, may require frequent adjustments for optimal use.